Yeah. Once again, good time to suffer together than suffer by myself. All I gotta say, man. All I gotta say. Woo! We got some positions locked in, and we're not leaving for anything, baby. Let me go ahead and open up here. There you go. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Perfect. Wow. All right. How's it going, fam? Welcome to the Bloody Sunday Night Live. Coming in a little bit early because we're seeing a pretty nice dealings right now coming in. And I just wanted to come in immediately, fam. Let's go ahead and have a good one, bro. 190. Um, I left XRP at around 190, 198. And now we're at 190. So let's see what's going on, bro. BTC, I left it at around 78 and now it went to 76. It happened a couple of minutes ago. 190, man. It's pretty crazy, bro. It's a lot of people coming in, but let's see what's going on here. What's up, Dangerous Dave? Welcome. Dude, this is pretty insane. Wow. What's going on, everybody? Happy to have you here back to another live stream. I think by now, there's a lot of great comments. And I just want to go ahead and find exactly what everybody's saying, and that's it. Comments are on right now, and I'm gonna make a poll soon too. Go ahead and open CoinMarketCap. I want to see if I already have my positions or like my fiat ready to purchase something. Let's see. Let's see, what are we looking here? Because I want to buy some of the dips, man. Oh, not yet. So I'm expecting some money coming in later today. When that happens, I'll make a decision whether I come in or I wait for tomorrow because futures are mega down. Drop a like, fam. Subscribe to the channel. Happy to have you. Earlier today, we were here a couple hours ago. Now we're back and the prices are much lower. How about that? How about that? Now, I already have my poll ready. Let me go ahead and see. Okay. Or what's up, Saf? Welcome. Happy to see you, man. Welcome. Thanks so much. No. Um. Okay, perfect. Got it. I got it. I got it. There you go. Poll is up and ready, guys. Poll is up and ready. Oh, wow. It's like when I want to speak and when I want to talk, something happens in my throat. I don't know. Tomorrow will be interesting. I know, man. That's true. Pain in the market, indeed, man. Indeed. All right. Well, guys, feel relaxed because we'll be here for a while. Let's see if you and I are gonna be ready to witness some pretty nice, delicious dips. Because just as I was getting ready for the live, we got a 190 XRP. The last time, I just look at this, bro. From 215 to 190. Last time we were here was March 11th. So it's going to be close to a month ago. The last time it was the 177. 177. That was actually about a month ago. A little bit over a month ago. That was February, the beginning of February. No, wait. No, it's 2 months ago. Wow. Time flies so fast. That's 2 months ago. So, man. So, roughly less than 1 month, and now 2 months ago. Wonder if you and I were going to see a new low, which has been a while since we haven't seen it in, in a long time. But oh boy, BTC right now, $77,000, guys. Here we go, man. Here we go. Again, you come on live. What's up, Christian? Yes, I'm here, bro. I'm here. I want to say hi to the community. I love you guys. Love my fam. Sometimes I want to make videos. Sometimes I just want to be here live with you guys. I love it. Because we're bleeding, so might as well be here together, you know? Oh, this is another good one. I remember this one from Euphoria. Guys, XRP holders be like, that's us right there. That's basically us today. Now I'm going to go ahead and see what's up. Why is everything crashing? We know. We know why. This is us too. True. This is us too. What's up, future millionaire? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Oh, yeah. Stock market futures, right? That's true. Let me see if I can pull it up here. That's true. Dow futures fall 1,500 points. Dow futures tumble more than 1,500 points down. Here it is. Give me 1 second, because there's a lot of ads right here. Pre-market Dow change 1,500, 3% down. S&P is 4% down pre-futures, and Nasdaq is 5% down pre-futures. Bro, prepare for a mega bloodbath on Monday, bro. Stock market. I think crypto's already feeling it today. It is indeed. Don't feel bad. You could have bought at 108,000 Bitcoin. It's true, bro. Well, happy to see you guys. Welcome back. Early Sunday night live for us right now, 6 p.m. here in Texas. And since I see the prices collapsing and, right in front of us, might as well just stop by and get comfy, right? Let us know if you have any questions for sure. You can always join us at BTCC, which is the first link down below. That's what a lot of people say too. People are missing Biden and Gary Gensler, right? Just know something, guys. Millionaires are gonna be are being born right now in this market. Millionaires, the people who are getting ready with positions to buy the dip tomorrow and this coming week. Guys, 189. Everybody in the chat, 189, fam. It's coming. I'm just saying, fam. It kind of looks like 189 for the first time in a while, guys. It's coming, man. Hey, Oscar, thank you for being here for us, waiting for the right moment to buy the dip. I just need some cash on hand. I got about $500, and I'll be able to start deploying some capital. It's not much easier to buy one Bitcoin, which it is. That's what I've been trying to do over the last couple of months. So seeing BTC under 80,000 is just great because it allows the chance to buy a Bitcoin much easily. That's great for me. Hey, what's up, John316? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. It's just pretty crazy, man. We're fine. I think so, bro. I think so. Love it, man. Love it. No money for the dips because X gas still up. So many great deals. Look at that. Look at that. That tomorrow will be shocking everybody, honestly. Let's open up the Bitcoin liquidations. See what is the debt toll right now. Over the last 24 hours, 667 million shorts. Longs, over 96 million shorts. Roughly 24 hours right now. We have just the loan BTC 262 million. 220 Ethereum. So there's a lot of Ethereum that are just getting slaughtered right now. It happens. That's why I like to be here, man. That's why I like to be here. I like to be here because this is the opportunities we've been waiting for a long time, bro. Brother, just buy more XRP. If you're just slowly accumulating one Bitcoin, then a 3K discount isn't gonna show up on your bill. Yeah, I just want to have. I already have my levels. I already have my goals. With BTC, we'll get there, and then we'll also go back to some more XRP. Do you know if BTCC is safe exchange, bro? Got scammed on March X really bad. Also got luck good luck, everybody. I'm using it. They're flying me to Dubai too, and I've talked to them with the team. They've been in business for more than 10 years. But always do your due diligence, right? Here in the United States, they're good. They're good. Good question, man. And thank you, Brian. Welcome. You got to dump it up, and don't you know, dump it up. We're holding the line, fam. Holding the line. Once again, fam. Once again, remember, this is not to blame on XRP. This has a name and a last name, right? And we all know it. It is the effect, when you go full in with tariffs, Well, what are you expecting? Which is, I mean, gotta embrace it. Some people, I mean, could I have sold maybe at 270, 280, knowing that Trump was gonna, start trade wars with everybody? Well, probably, but why would I sell at 270 if I know that I could just keep accumulating? But we all learned, we are everybody, we're all in different situations. Some people sold at 270, some people sold at $3 to take some profit, but not me, not you sometimes, right? So just know that we're all different here. But I think if you're buying into XRP, you're buying into crypto, you're buying into Bitcoin, right? You're expecting this to turn around and, be glorious. And that will come. That will come. Welcome to the 1,200 people watching us right now, fam. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We're just coming in early and not quiet, right? Is this an emergency? Is this something to be aware or cautious? Well, fam, typically, I wait a little bit longer to join you here on Sunday. But I decided to do an emergency live because, I mean, BTC was, over 80,000 when we woke up today, and significant changes, right? But you never, in crypto, you have to expect anything, can happen. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This will crash the housing market also, which is a good thing. The housing market, people buying real estate too. Why aren't you buying the dip? I thought you always tell people to buy the dip. Yeah, author, I've been saying this for a while, that I'm waiting on some money to come in and buy the dip. There it is, 189. 189 XRP since February. There it is, fam. 189 XRP. We're putting some significant price levels. Right now for XRP, guys, we got to watch out. We got to watch out because we are just missing 177, which that's February. XRP is once again putting a very low level, right? We just destroyed early April, March. Look at BTC right now. Somebody just opened on BTC, and it's just flushing right now all over the place. It's not stopping right now. 77,290. Wow. Gerardo, all it takes for the President Trump to post something good about tariffs. Yeah, 100%, bro. But I mean, now with tomorrow and how we see it, do expect some major blood, right? But we'll be here, fam. That I can tell you. Ethereum is also, I mean, I don't even want to look at Ethereum right now. Question in the chat, question in the poll right now. We have, should you buy more XRP right now? And what's really winning is not yet. More blood coming tomorrow. What is it doing? Oh, wow. 1,500 Ethereum right now. 1,500 Ethereum, bro. This is the definition of mega max pain, bro. Ethereum was $3,000 in February. So it just lost 50% of its value in about 2 months. 50% of its value in about 2 months. Woo! Ah, man, this is good. They're saying Black Monday tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, I know. I've heard that too. I've heard that the Black Monday. But you know what that means? That by tomorrow, I think I'm gonna have some decent cash. Let that bleed out. Buy and hodl. That's it. These levels are phenomenal to buy the dip. Phenomenal. So let me see. Let me see what I have because I'm still waiting on one thing. Come on, switch to live trading. Taking forever to switch. Who knows what that's going on? If you're scared, go ahead and sell. I will say hi when I pass you in my Porsche. I love that. I love that, man. I'm going to get a Lambo. I want a Lambo for sure. Don't be fooled. We're going into a bear market. Not necessarily. I mean, it could be a recession, but it will be kind of dumb. It will be kind of dumb. Bear market right now. It just makes no sense to me. Inverse Jim Cramer is warning of Black Monday. Yeah, I saw that, bro. Crazy. You want a Tesla? Oof. The bull market hasn't even started. I know, yeah. I mean, we haven't even seen the mega bull market yet, so not really happening, my friends. You know, things are gonna get much better, but right now, nobody can control Donald Trump, and he's doing whatever he thinks is best. And the market is speaking. The market is speaking, you know, the way they like to do it. So you and I sometimes cannot do anything, you know, during this time, and it's showing for sure. Transfer. I'm gonna go ahead and get a spot position right now because I'm trying to do it here on my PC, but it's not working. I don't know why. Wallet. Let's send. Like I have $500, but I'm waiting on more money, but it's not. It's taking a little longer, so I'm like, okay, which is okay because if I would have bought, you know, earlier today, so I'm waiting right now. There's opportunities right now to get in some of the dips. These are phenomenal levels for me. I think even if I buy right now, you know, and maybe tomorrow, it's like kind of iffy 185 or so, I'll still take it. Let me go ahead and do something here. What's happening? C? Welcome. Thanks so much for the donation. Appreciate it. Yeah, there's like an issue here. Interesting. As I'm new to all of this, I see XRP holding its own against all the big boys. Am I seeing this correctly? It's holding pretty well against all the other different cryptos, and that was, you know, since yesterday. But right now we're seeing finally crypto crack, and BTC is, you know, one that already dropped under 80,000. Now we're at 77. And there's obviously a lot of bears and people saying, haha, you know, BTC, you were supposed to be holding the line, but it's no longer doing it. So this is crypto in a nutshell. This is crypto. 189, fam. We're approaching 188 right now. Oh, boy. Freddie, how we doing? We're doing good, bro. We're doing good, you know. We're just seeing our portfolio getting smashed, by the fear, thought, and doubt. And all I can say is like, look, this is Saturday and Sunday. We woke up to, or Sunday, 1 a.m. 2:13, and we're already seeing major sell-offs, right? Which, if you go back, it's just taking a little longer, to finally give us the blood that we want, like the closure. Let's go to the 5 minutes here, so you can even see much better. If Kramer says Black Monday, we're getting a Green Tuesday. True. Man. 180. I mean, right now, I can buy anything I want, but the best strategy right now would be to wait for tomorrow, bro. That's kind of like what's going through my mind, because stocks are gonna collapse tomorrow again. If I buy right now, I might be missing myself, from XRP going to what, 170, low 180s. I mean, if XRP drops under 177, that will be like, like surreal. I don't see XRP dropping under $1. Let me be clear. I don't see it. That'll be catastrophic for a lot of people. You see XRP at $1, man. Selling my car and buying all XRP I can. Hope work is well and your gains are positive. Yeah, I mean, a lot of us, we bought under $1 XRP, so we're still making some money. Fide and Maruchan. Good to have you, everybody. Welcome. You see, look, even though we are collapsing right in front of our eyes, you got a lot of people here holding strong, That's what I love to see, man. The XRP live, that's what we're talking about, bro. Pre-market is nasty. Super nasty. What is this? Look at this. 187, bro. Whoa. Like, they're really taking their money out right now, bro. 186, bro. That's what I'm telling you. Kind of feels like an emergency live. I mean, we're tanking, brothers and sisters. We're doing it right now. Oh, boy! The blood is too much. Somebody call the ambulance right now. BTC will go to 70, 72 levels. What's up, Alex? Good to see you, brother. Welcome. Wow, brother. It hurts. It really, truly hurts, bro. Don't you know, dump it up. You got to dump it up, and don't you know, dump it up. Literally, look, I have my BTCC right here. I have my BT, like I'm thinking about buying, bro. I'm not thinking about selling. Thinking about buying, bro. I want to buy crypto. I just want to get more and more and more. I see people selling. I want more crypto. See Bitcoin to 72. That's about it. Maybe 70,000. I see. Call it, fam. Call it. Links down below, guys, and also at the top of the chat. Sign up Maybe you want to start some longs. Maybe you want to start some shorts. Or maybe you want to start trading, buying spot. Up to you, right? On BTCC, fam. I'm using it as I'm speaking right now. I got some $500 right now ready to go. But as I've been waiting to buy, the price keeps coming down. So you can join me, fam. Deposit, get some pretty nice bonuses. You can keep trading there because best days and better days are yet to come. We've been saying that for the last 4 months, since the beginning of the year. And look at us now. Look at us now. It's a good bloody Sunday, bro. It's a good bloody Sunday, that I can tell you. Good bloody Sunday, bro. I mean, the amount of liquidations, bro. Ooh, there's Watch a Guru. You know when Watch a Guru posts is never good. Here we go. President of the United States, Donald Trump says, someday people will realize that tariffs for the United States of America are a very beautiful thing. What do you think? Everybody in the chat right now, what do you think? I'm literally reading what it's there. Exactly what he said, right? What do you think? Yes or yes? Yes or no? Out of money, Oscar just bought my last tip. El Capo, what's up, bro? Good to see you. Next support level 177. My friends asking about TA of XRP. There's no real support level right now up until 140 XRP. I know that without showing you 140, but 177 is the lowest in the entire year. 177 is the lower, 10 cents lower than right now. But 140, so if you take a look at the chart, 140 is where we have a more beautiful consolidation all the way there. So from 187, we don't have anything to consolidate till down to 140s. But 177 was the lowest we had in February. The 8 is out the door. What's up, Michael? Good to see you, bro. And welcome to all the 2,000 people watching us right now. Welcome to the XRP Live. A little bit of an emergency to bring more people in. And it is what it is. We're not making it up. We're not making it up. President Trump says, sometimes you have to take medicine when asked about current market conditions. Wait, is he actually posting this on Truth Social or what? What am I missing? What am I missing, bro? Oh, he's actually posting. This, he just posted this 6 minutes ago. 6 minutes ago. We have a massive financial deficit with China, the European Union, and many others. The only way this problem can be cured is with tariffs, which are now bringing tens of billions of dollars into the US. They're already in effect, and a beautiful thing to behold. The surplus with these countries has grown during the presidency of Sleepy Joe Biden. We're going to reverse it and reverse it quickly. Someday, people will realize that tariffs for the United States of America are a very beautiful thing. Boom, there it is. What do you guys think here? Yeah, I mean, he knows. He knows what he's talking about right now. People are freaking out. If we are collective, the XRP community, and it's bad to see it, but it is what it is. Some people are actually buying the dip. You can only imagine all the big investors and unions and retirement people, all of that saying, what happened? I was about to retire and my money's gone, tariffs didn't work, the rest of the world wouldn't already be tariffing America. It's simple. Crypto, I understand, bro, and I mean, it's not gonna be pretty. I feel it. I get it. To bring jobs back into, why do you think that the jobs are not in the US in the first place? Like, why do you think we have to outsource and corporations are looking for cheaper labor and cheaper to save more money and make the stock go up, right? Shareholder equity, they want more money for them, and period. They outsource, they close factories, they don't allow the US to grow because it's different here in the US. What Trump is saying, enough. Bring the jobs back to the United States. But it's not pretty because corporations, obviously, it's a mix of everything, you know? A mix of everything. Yeah, NAFTA. And I can tell you, bro, about NAFTA because, you know, I know a lot of people. I'm a Mexican. I know a lot of people. Mexicans love NAFTA. It helped a lot of people. But when you think about it as an American, right? I mean, it just, corporations are going to use it always to their advantage. You're bringing an engineer from Mexico, you're not going to pay him what you're paying an American engineer, you know. That's a reality. I know it because I've seen it real life. So it's a balance, but obviously it is a complicated subject, right? But it all boils down to, if you add tariffs, you're also helping bring that, you know, those jobs back. But man, it's a long subject, and I'm no expert, by the way. I'm no expert in that. 100% I'm not. I'm just telling you what I think, you know, my experiences, and that's it. That's it. Yeah, nah, you know, Dix, I feel it, bro. Yeah, I know. Welcome, everybody. Very happy to have you guys. Welcome. I'm taking a look at the comments. I'm just sharing my opinions right now, you know, and everybody's welcome, you know. We don't know everything, and I'm not here saying that whatever I say is going to happen, right? But instead of watching Netflix or just doing some nonsense, right? Why don't we go ahead and come with a beautiful extra PR and have a nice conversation? That's what I like to hear. And in the meantime, drop a like, fam, subscribe to the channel. Take a look at the links down below and continue supporting those guys because we're not leaving, you know? Sailor is now, I'm gonna open Sailor's portfolio right now. That's gonna look so bad right now, bro. The guy is in underwater, bro. It's like, what? Oh, I saw this. Look. Who's this Bitcoin guy? Who's this Bitcoin bear? I forgot his name. Oh, wait. He's gonna be somewhere here. The bear guy. Oh, Peter Schiff. Here. Look at this. Sailor. Attention, Sailor. Now that Bitcoin is below 80,000, if you want to prevent it from crashing below your average cost of 68,000, you had better back up the truck with, you know, the truck you borrow money today and go all in. You know, there's a lot of people saying and obviously poking at the Bitcoiners right now. The greatest FUD is coming. Man, I'm just trying to get my DCA to $2. Guys, what is the lowest price we're going to see today? You think that's it? 186? Like in the next couple of hours, what will be the lowest price? I don't think so. I mean, the way I see things, 170 is coming back. 170 has to come back. There's no way XRP saves itself from 170. I think so. I mean, I think 170 should be in the cards by now, tomorrow. And if we see 170 again, I have to go mega all in. Absolutely mega all in. I'm gonna go full leverage if I see 170. I have to. I have to do it, man. I have to. I don't want to be at you know what. I have to go all in at 170. 7x. Bro, that's easy money, bro. That's the easiest money ever, in my opinion. I'm gonna do it. But I'm waiting for money to come in. Hopefully tonight, but if I do 175 6x liquidation, is gonna be somewhere around what, 140 130. So I should be fine. I mean, come on, I should be fine, bro. You're gonna be liquidated. I don't think so, Ghost. I mean, still gonna be fine. What's up, River? Good to see you, bro. I'm just saying, bro, like, wait till 145. 145, bro. Do you think the guy that was down $30 pull all his money out? Bro, I wish I was down $30, bro. I wish. We're seeing some big rejections right there. Pretty nice rejections at 188. So guys, I think it's gonna be official for me. Everything that I'm seeing right now, if I get a question like, when are you buying, I'm just gonna say 170 right now, because to me, it's simple. It's simple. Tomorrow is gonna be a terrible day for the stock market. And honestly, I gotta wake up early. I gotta be up bright and early if I maybe want to get the best price ever. I don't know about, middle of Monday, but this is the fear that a lot of people were waiting for. 186 is huge too. It's like amazing levels, bro, already. Amazing levels. My portfolio is getting wrecked. I feel you, bro. I don't even want to look at mine, bro. I don't even want to look at my portfolio, actually. That portfolio is gonna be so bloody that you don't even know. The guy Watcher Guru with another update. President Trump says, no, there's another one. President Trump says that he will not make a deal with China unless it solves trade deficit, which is exactly what we have right here. But remember, he said it, only the weak will fail. He said it 2 days ago. Don't be weak. Fam, don't be weak. Coming from Donald J. Trump right there. Boom. Hmm. Hmm. Ah.
You may even get tired of winning, and you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win. We're going to win so much.
That's honestly going to be my alarm. I'm going to save this as my alarm too. I have to. I'm sick and tired of winning. Yeah, bro. We're winning. Mega winning. Really interesting levels that we're seeing right now, fam. I mean, 186. Beautiful price. We're already seeing a nice rejection right there. That could have been the bottom for tonight. Might be. Kind of looks like it. It's a big, nice green candle reversal. 3 already. It's about to be 3 soon. If we can see another one, then that's going to be a 3 white soldier, and that could take us back to 2. If that's the case, then well done, XRP. You have survived one big dump so far. But in this live, we just witnessed the lowest price in the last 2 months. Pretty nice. Take it easy, Christian. Have a good one, buddy. Let's go. Most other numbers in the economy are better than pre-47. Market uncertainty is being created to drive people into bonds to lower the interest on the $9 trillion refinance due in 2025. They already know what they're doing, right? They already know what they're doing, bro. Oh, there it is. Come on, baby. You see, fam? I just wonder, tomorrow what's market wakes up and it's open, and that's why I'm gonna be probably just sitting down on this one. Plus, I'm waiting on some more funds to come in. Once that's in, then we should be able to start finally dropping some big positions in, and that's it. That'll be the nice under $2 XRP positions and BTC as well. Take a look at this one. There's the deadline for the federal agencies to report their crypto holdings to the Treasury. Scott Benson is tomorrow, according to a White House official. However, the executive order didn't require the findings of the audit to be made public, only that they'll be reported to Benson. Unclear as of now if we're gonna ever find out. Wasn't there going to be some data released today on how much the crypto was holding government holds? Okay, so it's gonna be reported, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna be public. Sad. Everybody wanted to know. Here's what I told you earlier today, fam. This was February, basically, In my opinion, it is a great time to buy Ethereum. You can thank me later. Ethereum has dropped, close to 50% of its value since that day in February. Oof. Hurts, man. H-bar, kind of changing subjects a little bit here. H-bar bleeding out. Sui also, went to 188. Solana went to 103, bro. Wow. Solana lost $200. $200 in price. So, I mean, Solana already had it already had a bear market of its own. This is a bear market for Solana. The bear price 296 to 100. Literally. But this bear market is just in such a short amount of time. I mean, like Trump won here for Solana. The price was 159 and it's already 100. Wow. That's when you know that some of the insiders already are taking profits and leaving everybody holding and hanging the fruit. But honestly, all of this nastiness and pain, I mean, it boils down to the people that are changing the entire economic scale, and that is this administration right now. They're changing a bunch of things, and that's how people are reacting. Makes total sense. That's a big collapse. I mean, from $300 to 100. Like, if we say that we were in a bull market, I mean, or we are, forming a bull market. I mean, from $300 to $100, Solana imploded. Absolutely gone. What's up, Freddy? Good to see you, bro. What's good, Oscar? What's up, Crypto Griff? Good to have you, bro. Oscar, love the channel and your advice every day. Thank you for doing such a great job. Thank you, Michael. Very happy to see you, bro. We are pushing the line, always here, steady, bro, because I have to understand that what's happening in this space has nothing to do really with how crypto is it's not being used, or that crypto and blockchain are not the future. No. 100% that is not true. It's just, these are things that we just cannot control, fam. There's no way we can control those tariffs. And for people watching and enjoying, the journey of a crypto trader, you might want to hold for years down the line, or, till the end of the year or so, because we know that this is the final year. Like, this is the year for after the 4-year cycle. Like, if you go back in time, historically speaking, 2025 should have been a great year for crypto, but Donald Trump had a different plan to work the economy, right? So imagine if Harris would have won. I think if Harris would have won for the market first to, November, right? We would have had probably the same levels, or, crash, something bad. But as time went on, price would have continued going up because there's no tariff involved, I don't think with Kamala we would have gotten some tariffs. But it's just a different way of like witnessing, how things were working on, because it's not to say that for Trump, we are not going to have a nice bull market. That's the goal. But it's just as far as how, the Fed, inflation, and the whole trade wars work right now. It is what it is, fam. It is the pain that you and I have to swallow. Not much to do here. Other than that, just to keep holding the line, It is the classic crypto experience, fam. The classic crypto experience. All I see here on X and on, YouTube, when it comes to XRP or so, tomorrow, that is gonna be some pretty painful days for us. You think so? Well, that's what I'm seeing all over the place. That's what I'm seeing all over the place. So it just could be, that people are freaking out more than it's supposed to be, or that there's actually something big, massive coming up that is going to bring the market so down. it's not really so bad as people say, and it's not so great as people say. So it's just a nice in between of how things are gonna finally react. So can you phone Trump and tell him to keep the dump going until I get back to work? I love that, man. That's really nice. Some people really want to buy the dip, right? Some people really, really want to get those dips for sure. So here it is, what I was telling you guys a couple minutes ago. The only consolidation we had is that 140 right here. There's nothing else. There's the $2 consolidation, a price that we had, but it's not broken, and the 177. There's nothing else other than all the way down to 140 in November the 20th. That's what we had. Then there's another one, but this one is at 110, and then the $1, somewhere here, but there's 141 and 111. That's what we have. And over the last 4 months, we have been able to avoid it for a while right now. Avoid. That's what we've been able to do. Another Watch Guru. Jim Cramer predicts another 20% stock market crash from current. What? Oh boy. What is this? Billionaire Mark Cuban says, don't sell. It will come back. I just don't know how long it will take. The bottom is in. The bottom is in. People are saying it's a classic inverse Jim Cramer. Tomorrow is gonna be, a decisive date for everything. For all places, it's gonna be a big one. Craig Kramer says crash 20%, bye. That's the goal, but we do have some 5% futures down, indicating that as soon as the market opens, prepare for major blood. All right. That might drive the price down for XRP to 170. If that's the case, bro, I'm going all in. I'm not going to wait for long. I think 170 for me, it's my level to really actually take matters in my own hands. For BTC, I think 75,000 is going to be a really great level too. I just want to buy everything. Is that only me or what? I just want to buy everything, It's the time, man. To get in. It's my time to get in, period. Trump on Fox News, tariffs are working. What's up, Jerry? Good to have you, buddy. Good to have you. I gotta wait for tomorrow. I know. So I was, as of right now, it's good to see the 186 position down, which is, decent. But it doesn't mean that the blood has stopped, right? Just that for right now, the last couple of 15 minutes, that's a big, nice drop. And here we go. Let me go ahead and put on my glasses here. Check something out. Plus, I'm going to repost something here. Pin this one. And we have to repost this one. Come on, it's the perfect one right now. Perfect one. We're not tired of winning. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Because remember, fam, there's always going to be an application open for all of us. Always. So you don't have to worry. Better emergency rate cut in 2025. Let me take a look at the polling market because we had the recession question was a 63, 60 some. Oh, not 66. It went higher actually. US recession in 2025 went higher to the 60 what? 66 now. 66, bro. So when Trump got elected and he got inaugurated was 27 chance. Went all the way down to 22s or so. But all of a sudden, it just started to go up and up and up and up and up and up. Crazy stuff, everybody. But we are still here standing. I think tomorrow, like people are saying, it's going to be a day for us to wake up early and have, be well rested. We're going to need it. Stock market will bleed, and crypto, it's already kind of feeling that early momentum. It could be that we only drop a few percentages, but that's still going to feel, so if you have some cash on the side, guys, if you want to find a place to get some crypto, do your research, find the exchange you feel that's best for you, where you live and so, right? And use that one. Never leave money in exchanges and always move it to a wallet that you have the keys. That is some pretty good advice. But if you want to try something new, the first link down below, you can sign up to BTCC and start trading with my link down below. That's what I've been using, and I'm just waiting for some monies to come in so I can buy the dip, because these are levels that I just wanted and I've been waiting for a long time. I love it, man. This is it. This is really, really, really good. Vaseline. Oscar, never below $2. Again. Yeah, that was $2 back in the crypto summit when Trump said XRP was gonna be in the strategic reserve. It went from like 2 something all the way to 3, almost 3,299, and I'm like, that's it. It's good, finally. But it's never good as as people think, and I got disappointed with that. It wasn't what everybody was expecting, But even with a Bitcoin strategic reserve, look at this. Oh yes, I got a 12,000 saved from all 2024 and this year from setting aside portion of what I invest. At a time minimum, I set aside 50% of what I can invest. Well done, planets. Thank you. Oscar, where's your beloved POTUS? In the White House, bro. Trying to do a major surgery in the United States that right now I think the market is really paying the price for that. Everybody has an opinion right now when it comes to the market. All MAGA and Republicans, Trump supporters. It's not easy right now to defend what's going on, because he's really going all in. He's going all in. I think he knows that he wants to do it right now, early in his administration, because if he waits it out, kind of like till the end, I mean, there's gonna be more problems possibly. But right now we're in it for a while. We'll have to see how long it takes for crypto to actually wake up, because no longer meme coins and DeFi are dying already. I mean, meme coins are DeFi, our NFTs are completely gone by now. But major altcoins and Bitcoin, right, are just getting smashed. So yeah, it's tough. It is indeed. How do you bring your money into BTCC bank or card? What I do sometimes is, just deposit from one account, from one exchange to BTCC. Or you can get, KYC, and then you can now start sending some funds into BTCC. But you also have the chance to not KYC and just deposit from another exchange to BTCC and start trading. Yeah, because he's doing surgery on the patient with a 4-pound sledgehammer, bro. He's not good at anything he does. What's up, Rob? I mean, I'll tell you, it's typically when you are doing tariffs based on what I've seen before, with Obama and, because every president, they all do tariffs, right? But they don't do it like so, taking it to an extreme where the whole world is now going to have a tariff. And the tone and the message is this strong, and people are now wondering how much more expensive things are going to be. That's what not a lot of leaders like to do, because you don't want to stress the markets. You don't want to stress everybody. You want your constituents to really kind of like not even think about it too much. But Trump is doing the totally opposite. He's making sure everyone under the sun understands that they're going to have a tariff and that America is back, but because that's happening, and because he's been speaking about Canada and Greenland and Panama and all of that, it's like Trump is coming as a whirlpool, as a tornado, right? And everybody in all the world is like, what are we supposed to do against Trump, right? So over the last 60 or so days, it's been like, okay, brace for what's to come, when it comes to Trump. It's not the easiest president to be bullish when things like this happen. But it is what it is, bro. I mean, reciprocal, right? So we'll just have to, in my opinion, I'm just holding the line. We'll be waiting the line once eventually we have those green candles in the future for crypto. Closing the poll right now. Should we buy XRP right now? And the winner is 60%. Not yet. More blood coming tomorrow. With over 3,000 votes, fam, you got an answer right there. Okay? It is what it is. It's tough, but somebody has to do it, and we're not leaving. We're not leaving 100%. Guys, I wanted to stop by here with you. We did it earlier today. We're doing it now for 1 hour or so. And I want to say thank you, guys, for all your support, for all the canned donations. And at least we were able to get the 186, In about 3 hours or so, it's going to be 10. And we'll only see how, what the price will be. But I'm holding my money right now. I wanted to get in today, but I'm happy I didn't because it went lower. So tomorrow, everybody's talking about tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'm buying more crypto tomorrow. Hopefully it's a little lower than right now so I can get in and then start from scratch. And welcome to crypto, because I'm not selling and I want to buy the dip, not the FOMO. Catch you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching, and thanks for joining us on a Sunday. Very active, right? Finally, it's not boring anymore. So if you guys enjoyed it, you can always join my community's Patreon and Discord, right? Telegram too. All the information is down there in the description. And I wish you the best, man. Still with pain like this, and we got a lot of friends watching, and we got a lot of great people that are willing and able to listen and to prepare, because once it finally changes and people are banging the door asking, should I buy right now when the price is close to $3-4? At that point, you're going to realize that what you did today paid off and made sense. What you did today, right? It's all about what you do today, guys. So I'll see you later. Peace. Let's go. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one. I want to relax a while. It's been a long day. Peace.